Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data entry jobs. Data entry is a fundamental process where information is accurately inputted into digital formats. This often involves tasks like transcribing documents, updating customer records, or inputting survey responses. You'll typically need a reliable computer, stable internet, and basic software knowledge. Many opportunities are available remotely, offering flexibility for individuals seeking work-from-home options. Finding legitimate data entry work requires knowing where to look. Start by exploring well-known job boards like Upwork, Fiverr, or Indeed, which list numerous remote positions. Many companies also post openings directly on their career pages. Consider joining online professional groups to network and discover unadvertised roles. Remember, opportunities range from short-term projects to long-term contracts, offering diverse options to fit your schedule. To excel in data entry, several key skills are paramount. Aim for a typing speed of at least 50 words per minute with high accuracy, as this directly impacts your efficiency. Meticulous attention to detail is vital to prevent errors, which can be costly. Proficiency in common office software, especially spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel, is often required. Strong organizational and time management abilities will also help you meet deadlines consistently. To succeed and stay safe, always verify job offers. Legitimate companies will have professional websites and clear communication, and they will never ask you for money to start working. Be wary of offers that seem too good to be true or request personal financial details upfront. Focus on delivering accurate, high-quality work and maintaining excellent communication with clients. This approach will help you build a strong reputation and secure more opportunities in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.